Introducing the Oppo F27 Pro Plus, a mid-range powerhouse with cutting-edge features. Oppo, renowned for its innovation and commitment to delivering top-notch smartphones, is set to redefine the mid-range segment with its latest offering, the Oppo F27 Pro Plus. Packed with a plethora of features and boasting impressive certifications, this device is poised to make a splash in the smartphone market. Let's dive into the specifications and features that make the Oppo F27 Pro Plus a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. Design and durability. The Oppo F27 Pro Plus flaunts a striking Cosmos ring design with a circular camera module, setting it apart from the crowd. But it's not just about looks. This smartphone is built to withstand the rigors of daily use and beyond. With IP69 and IP68 certifications for dust and water resistance, along with MIL-STD 810H build and Swiss SGS Premium Performance 5-star drop resistance certification, the Oppo F27 Pro Plus is a rugged companion for any adventure, display, and performance. Equipped with a 6.7-inch OLED display featuring a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 950 nits, the Oppo F27 Pro Plus delivers an immersive viewing experience under the hood. It houses the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and swift app launches. The 3D curved AMOLED screen, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, adds an extra layer of durability to the device. Camera and battery. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Oppo F27 Pro Plus's dual rear camera setup, featuring a 6.4MP primary camera and an 8MP ultra-wide shooter on the front. A 3.2MP selfie camera ensures you always look your best. With a massive 5000 mAh battery and support for 6.7W fast charging, you can kiss battery anxiety goodbye and stay connected throughout the day. Connectivity and software. Whether you're streaming content, gaming online, or video calling loved ones, the Oppo F27 Pro Plus has you covered with dual SIM support, 5G connectivity, and Volt capabilities. Running on the latest Android 14 software, it offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. With access to a wide range of apps and features, launch date and pricing. Excitement is brewing as Oppo gears up to launch the F27 Pro Plus on June 13, 2024. Available in midnight navy and dust pink colors with a premium leather back and Cosmos ring design. This smartphone is sure to turn heads. As for pricing, the Oppo F27 Pro Plus is expected to be competitively priced, potentially under Rs. 30,990, making it a compelling option in the mid-range segment. In conclusion, the Oppo F27 Pro Plus ticks all the boxes for users seeking a blend of style, performance, and durability in a smartphone. With its robust build, stunning display, powerful camera system, and long-lasting battery, it's poised to be a game-changer in the market. Stay tuned for the official launch and get ready to experience innovation at its finest with the Oppo F27 Pro Plus.